Back to the winter coats, hats, and gloves for the start of the weekend. George, I can see you're wearing yours.
Yeah, I thought I might be able to get away with a light jacket earlier today.
Yeah.
It looked nice. It felt nice. And then the Arctic front came through.
Sure did.
Yeah, here we go. Colder weather here now to start our weekend, Juliet, but at least for now, it's going to stay dry. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. We got a chilly Saturday in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Lots of clouds this afternoon after that morning sunshine. Looks like there might be a little bit of virga off to the south and west. I'm looking at the South Haven Visitors Bureau camera there. I'm not seeing anything there, but it may be showing up on your weather apps right at the present time. But it has taken a while to cool off. These are current temperatures. It is well down into the mid and upper 20s north. We're still 41 here in Grand Rapids, and points southward got close to 50. That Arctic front just taking its time coming down through the region. That's okay by me. I'd like a little bit warmer winter. But temperatures compared to yesterday, anywhere between about 12 and as much as 29 degrees cooler than yesterday. That's quite a chill. Yeah, you can see this on the radar. Some of this may be reaching the ground, especially around the South Haven area southward. It's a little bit of that Arctic front coming through, a little wave in the energy. I think that's what stalled that front from coming down as well. But we are definitely going to be in the colder air tomorrow. But skies are going to be clearing later on tonight. We got nothing but blue skies and sunshine, not a bad north wind, just a few clouds overnight Saturday night into Sunday, but no precipitation expected. We are looking at the next weather system coming out later on next week. That's going to bring some showers and thunderstorms during the day on Tuesday. In the meantime, very little in terms of precipitation over the upcoming weekend. That's the slight snow flurries that the models are trying to print out here this evening. If that does occur, it'll be generally south and west of Grand Rapids for the next couple of hours. Now, next week, we've been talking about this. There is now a risk of just a possible risk for severe weather over extreme southwestern lower Michigan. This has been inching upwards over the last couple of days, so there is a chance we could see some stormy weather here on Tuesday afternoon and evening, but then that slips to the south later on next week. Temperatures in the low 30s here tomorrow. We'll zoom into the mid 40s then on Sunday, and all the way up into the mid and upper 50s on Monday before we see 60s on Tuesday. High chance we'll continue that mild weather through the 4th of March, and a high chance we'll see more precipitation. A lot of that coming on Tuesday into early Wednesday. Tonight, skies will be clearing after some early evening snow flurries south of Holland down towards South Haven. Mid-teens along the lakeshore, right around 9 to 13 above. Yes, that is cold as the skies clear tonight with that north wind, and our temperatures will settle down to around 14 to 15 degrees overnight. 13 on your side forecast. From 32 Saturday to 65 now on Tuesday. We still highlighted that Tuesday with a marginal risk of some stronger storms in the afternoon and evening. Changing to snow overnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday, maybe an inch or two of some accumulation. We'll drop from 47 at midnight to 34 by afternoon. And then we'll warm things up again next week, following weekend, back into the 50s. Morning sunshine gave way to afternoon clouds as an Arctic front finally has moved through the area. Mighty chilly to the north, still not bad to the south. It is going to be a colder Saturday though. 13 weather ball is blue, and that means much colder weather in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
Well, make sure you bundle up as you take Leo and Theo out. Harry, we are going to give you a yellow paw between 8 and 10 because there might be a snow flurry, especially if you're southwest of Grand Rapids. We'll drop down into the 20s this evening and into the teens tomorrow morning. Give him green paw and make sure you get out and do the business real fast here tomorrow. A lot more sunshine tomorrow. In fact, almost a 9.2 out of a 10-point scale. Lots of sunny skies. It's definitely going to be cold. Winds down a little bit here tomorrow. 3.1 out of a 10-point scale. Tonight, once the skies are clear, we'll see a almost full moon. That actually occurs tomorrow morning at 7:30 in the morning, and then the moon sets shortly after that in the western horizon. The full snow moon Haven't seen any snow moon here in West Michigan. Was hoping to take a look at the tower cam from South Haven or St. Joseph, because there are some snow flurries that are showing up on the radar, but I'm not really sure they're starting to reach the ground. This is the reason why the Arctic front was delayed. There's a little wave along this front, so it kind of held it up a little bit longer. That is now to our south. We are definitely going to cool off. These snow flurries are going to pass to our south, and then skies will clear later on tonight. Lots of sunshine expected here during the day tomorrow. A few clouds tomorrow night, and then during the day on Sunday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies to start and then some sunshine later on in the day. This is all the precipitation that's expected over the weekend, and most of that will be this evening, and really no snow to talk about. This is the flurries that is expected here later on tonight. 32 for a high tomorrow. As we head into Sunday, we'll jump all the way to 47 and then all the way up to 57 by Monday. Farther ahead, we're looking at high chances for warmer temperatures from the 2nd through the 8th of March, and high chances we will see more precipitation as well. Tonight, skies will be clearing after an early evening flurry. Mid-teens at the lakeshore, right around 9 to 13 above north. Yeah, that's really cold, and between about 14 and 15 here in the greater Grand Rapids area. 13 on your side forecast. From 32 to 65 next Tuesday. We've highlighted that with an active weather day, perhaps some stronger storms later in the day, quickly changing to snow overnight with a limited impact for wintry weather on Wednesday with some inch or two of accumulation, then bouncing right back up into the mid-50s the following weekend. It is turbulent weather into March.
Thank you, George. George, the weekend is here and the cold air has arrived.
Absolutely, and it is definitely going to be a chilly start to our Saturday. We're going to jump from the teens all the way up into the 40s by the end of the weekend. 13 weather ball tonight is blue, a cold Saturday in view.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.
And you can join the 13 weather team by texting the keyword weather to 616-559-1310 or scan that QR code. I'll occasionally send you a message and get the inside skinny about the weather. Temperatures today took a while to cool off. We made the low and mid 40s, low 50s down to the south, still well above our average high of 36, but we missed outside of our target range. That's 3 misses in a row. We call that a turkey in bowling, and it was definitely a turkey for the forecast. As far as the month, though, we have tied now our warmest February up through this point in the month, and we have only seen that precipitation come from that snow late last Thursday. A little light precipitation trying to reach the ground. This is with a little wave of energy that has come down along that Arctic front, which is right in through here, and that's the reason why we took a while to cool off today. But here comes that wave of energy. That's the cool down through Saturday, and then the winds shift to the west-southwest by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, warming us up quite a bit. And then we'll cool down a little bit after that system passes on Wednesday. But back into some milder air heading into the first weekend of March. Unusual season. This is very reminiscent of a very warm start to spring. As far as precipitation goes, most of it will come Tuesday with thunderstorms coming through. After that, we'll see some melting snow Wednesday. There might be a couple of showers next weekend, but snowfall over the next 10 days. Most of that will come on Wednesday. There might be an inch or two. A lot of that will be melting, however. Long range outlook, this is week 3 and 4, updated every Friday for most of the month of March through the middle part. High chances will stay warmer than average with a little bit higher chance for more precipitation. Looks like there's one storm track in through here and another one along the eastern seaboard. For tomorrow, though, just sunny skies, very cold, mid-30s. These are supposed to be, these are actually right around our average highs for this time of year. Finally, one day, low 30s north with lots of sunshine, north wind, but fairly light. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, highs around 32 to 34. 13 on your side forecast. So from the teens tomorrow morning to 65 on Tuesday with an active day. We've highlighted that with a marginal risk for storms, especially afternoon and evening, changing to snow overnight with limited winter impacts on Wednesday, and then we'll warm from 40 next Thursday all the way into the mid-50s the following weekend.